Hello everyone, I'm Christopher Bernstein, and you're watching some cool Lab. Today I was cleaning my room and found these old speakers. So I decided to make siren out of them. Also I created a Horman ECN horn. So let's go and try running it at full volume with horn. I will use Federal Signal Serotonin synth by Affidox. Shout out to him. So let's go. I definitely need to do it. Okay, let's try a different one. A pulse whale. Wait a minute, let me try something. Now it's much better. Here's the ambience in a different room. That's kind of loud. That's ambience outside. Fuck, what? Now, one thing I need to do now is pray that I won't get nice complaints.